Hello there. The Animate publish settings and file size tips were covered in a previous video. The link to this, and indeed all links mentioned here, are included in the description below. Starting with this one, the HTML5 Validator, where you can go to upload your zip file. Just make sure the file size is no greater than 150k, otherwise you'll fall at the first hurdle. Once you've got your file size down, try again. Once it's accepted the file size, you can start to correct some of these error messages. Now, the first one, by the way, these are the only three I've ever had, but when I've done it with Adobe Animate, this first one, I can show you how you can get around that without even needing to edit any code. All you have to do is make sure that before you zip up your publish folder, the last thing you do is not preview but publish. It's the preview that creates the temporary file. So if we actually publish this one now directly, zip it up and have another look. Now we've got rid of one of the errors, and to fix the others you'll need a code editor. I use Microsoft Visual Studio Code, which is cross-platform and it's free. Once you've got your code editor installed, just go and open up the HTML file from the publish folder in the editor. When you look within that page, you'll find a little comment, usually quite close to the top. It says write your code here. So what you need to do is put a new line underneath of that one, and then go back to the HTML5 Validator page. Let's have a look at one of the other error messages here, this first one, and the chances are it's related to this meta tag that's missing in the file that Animate publishes. Metadata is information about information, and it wants to know what the dimensions of your stage are. So just highlight that meta tag and copy it, then go back into your text editor and paste it in underneath of that comment, and make sure that its width and height values correspond to the same values that you've got in Animate as your stage. Incidentally, here's another good resource in case you get any other error messages. This one is allows you to fix error messages with uploaded ads. Not using it here, but it's a good resource, so I thought I'd like to just show it to you. See, there's the one that we've just copied and pasted already. The other error message is because Google won't accept libraries hosted on different servers, and it's referring to this one right here. And if we have a look at that one in the code as well, this is the last little bit that we need to replace, and to do that we're going to go over to another rather useful little web page. This is the Studio Hosted Libraries page, and we need to copy the bit under this create.js, this pair of script tags here. Just copy those and then go ahead and replace the ones in your code editor with that one. Then save it up, close down this file, zip it up again, and test it out one more time. Let's see how we get on this time now that we've done that little bit of stuff, and yay, there we go. All good. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.